last day before Thanksgiving. It's a beautiful day out. It's a little bit chilly. I'm wearing my coat right now, but we've been going for about 6 or 7 minutes already, so I think it might come off soon. We found this gorgeous trail right in our neighborhood. Never done it before. Don't know where it goes, how far it goes, what's entailed, but it's gorgeous. Let me show you.
I saw your mama just the other day. She looked glad to see me again. Do you remember when I used to come over to your house every day? Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night. That will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms.
Okay, we did 20 minutes. We're gonna do the last loop around the soccer field because we got back to my car at like 16 or 17 minutes and decided not to cut it short. And the soccer field is much harder to run around because it's grassy and spongy and it just takes more effort. But now we're at this cute little abandoned playground. So Gwenny, do you want to go play on the playground? Do you want to play on the playground after our run? Was that fun? You don't look so sure. Do you want to play? Say yeah. Let's go. What you gonna do, Gwenny? Oof, you okay? Get back up. What a big girl. Where you going? Wow. Is that cool? Gwenny, can you pass for 5 to 12? Baby? You look like a 5-year-old, don't you? Are you a good girl, 5-year-old? See, no, I won. So another little girl came to the playground and Gwenny's just like frozen, won't move, just staring at her. Is it like seeing an animal at the zoo? Say, little kid, no way! There we go, we're praying. Are you praying? So I ordered new leggings and a new sports bra from a company called Grace Co. My friend is actually the owner, founder, whatever you want to call it. It's my friend's company. She sells sports clothing and it's gorgeous. And I can't wait to show you what I got, and I can't wait to wear them to practice and try out tomorrow because I was really praying that I wouldn't have to wear sweatpants to practice again. So first off, it came in this beautiful kind of marble looking bag with gold geometric line shapes on it. I pull it out. There is some gorgeous black tissue paper. And here we go. Okay, so I've got this sports bra. It was a size large. One thing I didn't like about the site was that the size charts were all based off of like women's sizes. So like a large is like a 12 to or something to a 12. I don't know. It was all based off of like dress size type of stuff. And we know women's clothes don't always run true to size. So it was kind of hard to... Hi. It was very hard to gauge what size to get, but dying to try this on. I love the crisscrossy back. It looked like it had a fair amount of support, and it feels like it had a fair amount of support. I'm a little worried that it might be a little bit small. Hold it up to the current sports bra I'm wearing does have a little bit more coverage, but that's okay. Next I got, let's see if I can back it up. these gorgeous leggings, also in a size large because they didn't have an extra large. They have G on the back. They've got a lot of nice details. I'll show them to you when I try them on. But the coolest thing is they have pockets. So I got them in this beautiful, I think it's called like berry or wine or Merlot. But to me, it looked like good old-fashioned maroon, and that's our school colors. So I definitely wanted them. And finally, I got the same leggings in black, also a size large, which I wasn't sure if I would be a large or an extra large because I tend to be right around that 12 to 14 size right now. And my body has changed a lot over recent years, which is why I'm buying new leggings. All my old ones were stretched out from pregnancy and didn't work anymore. But so I wasn't sure. I was right at the very top of the large size slash the bottom of the extra large size, and they didn't come in extra large. So I decided to try the large. I really wanted leggings with pockets. That's super important to me that my clothes have pockets. And I can't wait to show you tomorrow when I try them on. All right, thanks. Bye. Can you say bye? Say bye. Bye. Good job. Did you say bye? Say bye. Bye.
Sometimes it feels like you just wanna run. It's easier than facing your own doubts, but it will get you no matter how far you go. It haunts you every night. I tried so hard to forget what we had, but then something reminds me of you. Do you remember the necklace you gave me? I wear it every day. And oh, it's been a long time since we were together, but there's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and
All right. Can you see my child playing mess? The child has been abducted from her father. She hasn't been abducted. He just came and brought her downstairs so I could make a video. Please don't panic. My child has not been kidnapped. Okay, so as you saw, I got two of the same pair of leggings. I got them in this maroon color. I think it was called Merlot or some sort of red wine name that I don't drink wine, so I don't know what it is. They're maroon, which is great because my school colors at the school I work at currently are maroon and gold, and my school colors from high school were maroon and white. So Toms River South Indians for life. I will always love and sport maroon. So anyway, I wear the maroon ones from this video. The black ones are exactly the same quality. I didn't feel the need to show you both. Also because the black ones, as well as the sports bra I bought, are in the dirty laundry right now because I wear them all the time. But anyway, like I said, these are possibly my favorite, I think tied with my first favorite leggings that I've ever owned, and I foresee that I will continue to get much use out of them. They fit snugly enough that I feel they flatter my curves and kind of hold in the ones I don't love so much, but they're not too tight to the point where they're uncomfortable, or I feel like it's really difficult to find the perfect fit in leggings. If they're just a little too loose, they're constantly falling down. If they're just a little too tight, they're constantly like bunching up and squishing together and not fitting right. These had a really nice fit for me. I absolutely love that they have pockets. That is now a non-negotiable for me when I buy pants. They must have pockets. I don't care if they're leggings or not. And that is why I ended up picking these ones. They stay up really well while I'm running, which is imperative for me in leggings because while I'm not the world's best runner, I am a runner. And that's why I buy my leggings for the most part. However, when you put things like your cell phone in your pocket, that does tend to drag them down, and then I noticed a little bit of a falling down action, but that when the pockets are empty, they work perfectly. They do not fall down at all, which was great for me. The sizing was accurate. My only complaint about the website was that I do wish that they had measurement sizes. They just kind of had, if you fall between these pant sizes, then you'll probably be at this size in our leggings. But as we know, women's sizing is not constant, so I always prefer for websites to have a measurement to go by. But they were very true to size, and I did like that. My two complaints, the two improvements that I would make is I really wish, well, first off, I love how high-waisted they are. They do go up to my natural waist for the most part, which I prefer in a legging, especially when I'm running and exercising. I do not like anything low cut in that case. But I do wish that they had like a drawstring waistband. I think that would make them function just a little bit better, and that would probably help with the issue of having weight in your pockets when you're exercising. That would help them to hold up a little bit more. You wouldn't just be relying on the elasticity. My second complaint, which is really just a personal choice and I can't really complain about it, is that they are a tad bit shorter than I prefer. I like a long leggings, and that's just part of the fact that I am tall, and for most of my growing up life, pants were too short on me. And I get that crop is now the style, but I still hate it. It has always made me feel awkward and uncomfortable. It always will make me feel awkward and uncomfortable. So I don't like pants that are too short. That being said, they were advertised as 7/8 length, aka not full length. So I knew what I was getting into with them, but I sacrificed leg length for pockets, and I'm still very happy with that sacrifice. But if this were my perfect dream leggings, I do wish that they were full length and therefore would fit an extra long girl like myself. The sports bra I also love. Like I said, I'm not currently wearing it, but I will put the picture from the website up on screen. The color is beautiful. The fit is just a little bit on the tight side, which is what I expected, because I believe I ordered it in a large because they were sold out of extra large, or didn't offer extra large. It was a while ago, but I just know I would have preferred an extra large, but they didn't offer that, so I went with large. I think it's beautiful. It holds me in every way. I feel very comfortable running with it. If I were given an option with a sports bra, I would always prefer a little bit tight over a little bit loose, because a little bit loose, it won't do its job. I also feel that it is very flattering for a sports bra. Oftentimes you get one and they kind of compress you and they hold you in and they do their job, but they don't maybe flatter your female curves as well. This one really does, and I am very happy when I wear it. Not that anyone can see it, but I feel like just having a good foundation layer really does give you that extra boost of confidence, whether you're in your exercise clothes or your day-to-day or your pajamas, because it's 2020. But overall, I am so happy with Grace Co. I will absolutely order from them again next time I restock my exercise clothes. And I really hope that you consider doing so. Also, I'll put a link to Grace Co. down below. I'll put links specifically to what I bought. And yeah, have you tried Grace Co.? Are you thinking about trying Grace Co.? Please let me know in the comments. If you are new here and you liked this video, you like getting reviews of clothing from small businesses, please give me a like button. That really helps my channel to grow, and it helps me to know that I'm making content that you are interested in. And if you would like to see more of my videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and get out there, get moving. It doesn't have to be a run. Go for a walk. Go stand out in the sunshine for just 5 minutes. It really does help to lift the spirits, which I think we all need a little bit more of these days. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye!